and welcome to the Shatkin F.I.R.S.T Monday Morning Minute. Good morning and welcome to today's Monday Morning Minute. Before we dive into today's Monday Morning Minute, I just wanted to remind you all of some upcoming 2-day training seminars we have. Our first upcoming course will be on Friday and Saturday, that's September 18th and 19th, a 2-day beginner course where you'll see live surgery, you'll have intensive hands-on training, as well as many lectures. Our next one is going to be down south in Palm Beach Gardens, Florida at the PGA Resort on October 2nd and October 3rd. And then finally, we wrap up the year with our highly anticipated 3-day advanced seminar on November 12th, 13th, and 14th, where you'll see Dr. Gordon Christensen lecture, live surgery, as well as a 3rd-day event. Now here's Dr. Shatkin with the Monday Morning Minute.
Hi, I'm Dr. Shatkin and welcome to this Monday Morning Minute. I want to talk to you about the importance of dental models to educate your patients. When you get the Essentials kit, of course, you're going to get the 3 models. Make sure you use these. These are what's going to help you sell mini implants. The patient needs to hold this in their hand and feel just how secure their dentures can be with mini implants. They're used to having loose dentures. They need to feel the difference. Once you put that in the patient's hand, they feel that click of the denture going in. It's going to be much easier for them to say, yes, I want to get this done. Same with the upper. When they see that upper denture snap onto 6 mini implants like that, and they can have that palate cut out of their denture, that's going to help you sell mini implants and sell them new dentures. So these are essential items that you have in your office that you use them. Not just have them, but you got to bring them out at every new patient consultation. If you're doing a single tooth, show them how the single tooth implant works with a single crown on a single mini implant, just like that. Or if you're doing a bridge, show them how we can do a 3-unit bridge on 3 or 4 mini implants, just like that. And the very important thing is many patients want to eliminate dentures completely. Just get rid of them. And they want to have permanent teeth. So we have 2 sets of models that you can use for permanent tooth replacement. That's our cemented Roundhouse model that gets cemented onto 10 to 12 implants. We show this to them. And what I do is I put this in their hand and I put this in their hand. And I show them the difference. Do you want to have a denture that snaps on that you have to take out after meals to clean it and then put it back in with all this plastic? Even though we cut out the palate, we still have the plastic. Or do you want to have a cemented Roundhouse bridge with no plastic, all porcelain, nice and strong, and they treat their mouth just like they did when they had their own teeth in their mouth. Just brush and rinse and clean, irrigate, and they've got their permanent teeth. So there's a big difference between this restoration and this one. So those are the options we have. And of course, we also have our Fix on 6 procedure, which is a detachable fixed bridge where we put anywhere from 6 to 10 implants in and the bridge snaps on. But that option also is not removed by the patient, only removed at the dental office for cleaning. So those are the 3 options you want to provide to your patients for dentures, whether they want to go with permanent teeth or detachable or removable dentures. But you got to have the models and you've got to use them at every consultation. That's how you're going to sell this procedure. So please, if you don't have the models, call Shatkin F.I.R.S.T and get them today, because that's going to help you all day long selling procedures and it's going to increase your bottom line. That's what I have for you today on this Monday Morning Minute. Join us next Monday for the next Monday Morning Minute, and thank you very much for being here.